Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see mentions on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And then if you want to see mentions history on our TikTok, we need to go to our profile page first. You can click on this profile icon to open up your profile page on TikTok. And then we're going to go to the TikTok settings and privacy. So we can click on these three lines on the top right and then select the settings and privacy. Okay, and then to get the mention history, we need to go to the account center, activity center on TikTok. Okay, and in this activity center, we'll be able to get the information about watch history, comment history, search history, ads link history, and this one, mention history. Okay, tap on that to view your mention history. Okay, and this is my mention history guys on TikTok. I have been mentioned by my friend on some post on TikTok. If you want to see the mention, you just need to tap on that like this. Okay, and I have been mentioned on this post by my friend, and then we can reply to it or we can just leave it. It's up to you. And unfortunately we can't remove the mention. As you can see guys, that there is no remove option, but if you want to remove it, actually you can report it, so TikTok will remove it for you. You just need just like a reason, and then after the TikTok accepted your your report, they will remove it for you. Okay, and I'm going to say this one as well. Okay, I have been mentioned in a video right here. Okay, but I can't remove my mention from this video. As you can see, there is no remove option. Okay, I'm going to check this one as well. Right, and okay, we cannot remove it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to see mention history on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.